Welcome to the HRS RFP Procurement Platform. This session will give you an overview of the most important features of the platform and support you in sourcing your hotel program. You will get an email notifying you that your account has been activated. This mail contains a link which will direct you to our Tools login page. Here, you need to enter your username and password provided in the HRS email. You can also change your language settings on the login page before you log in. Upon login, you will be directed to the Continuous Procurement Overview for your company. You will find the list of RFPs which are available for your company, including main KPIs for the RFP, as well as documents to be downloaded and the first deadline for the hotels. Logout is on the right side of the page. Note that with your login credentials, you will be able to log in at any time to view the current status of the project. You can select the RFP you would like to view and work on by clicking on it. When the RFP you have selected opens, you will land on the Negotiate page. After closing the negotiation round, HRS will run an analysis and submit the optimal portfolio as well as the HRS strategy to help you make the most suitable decisions concerning acceptances and rejections of the hotels. This optimal portfolio will consider quality and price ratios of each hotel, and it represents the basis for the savings displayed under HRS Optimal Portfolio on destination level, in line with the destination information and on a global level on top of the page. Also, in the negotiate phase of the project, the HRS team will inform you beforehand when you can start with making your decisions and until which deadline your final decisions need to be submitted. Remember that also in this phase, nothing can be broken and nothing can be communicated to the hotels until the deadline is over and HRS takes over your decisions. In the Negotiate tab, you will also find a variety of KPIs on hotel level, in addition to the ones you saw on the Solicit tab, such as the average availability and price correctness ratio of the hotel. This is measured on hotel level for all corporate customers. For contracted hotels, the current average weighted rate, so the current negotiated rate at the hotel. And then, of course, the offered rate, as well as amenities the hotel included in the rate. Soon, we will also implement several innovations within our procurement platform, such as the normalized rates. The normalized rate display serves as an additional information. The offered rate will be enhanced by up to 5 surcharges to ensure comparability of offers. The information will be visible via a mouse over on the average offered rate. The following calculation logic is applied. If the customer prefers rates including breakfast and the hotel's offer is excluding breakfast, the breakfast price will be added. This logic will also be applied for the cancellation policy and Wi-Fi surcharges. Furthermore, a result from HRS rate audit concerning rate correctness and availability. A surcharge will be applied in case the hotel's corporate rates historically are not always bookable correctly. Note that there are many different icons and KPIs, and that in most cases, you can simply lay over the icons with the mouse to get further information. In this tab, offers are displayed as average throughout the year, considering the seasons entered in the RFP. If now you would like to dive deeper into a hotel and its offer, you will find additional information by clicking on the hotel and opening the hotel view. The first tab is the hotel details, where you find the general information about the hotel. Offer details in the second tab, where you can view trade fair and blackout dates, as well as answers to the GBTA questions. And the Rate History tab to view which other rates your company had with this hotel in the past. Back on the Hotel Overview page, on the right side you find the feedback from HRS regarding optimal portfolio and strategy as basis for the outlined HRS Optimal Portfolio savings. They give you the indication of the most suitable mix of hotels which could be accepted in the final program and which offered rate you should accept. A green dot under Strategy means you should accept, and a red dot means you should reject a hotel. Soon, we will implement another innovation in our platform, the so-called HRS Consortia rate. After the hotels have submitted their offers and the deadline has expired, HRS will analyze the offered bids. In case the corporate club rate, which is HRS's consortia rate, is more attractive than the offered rate, and in general more attractive than the offers of the other hotels in the same destination, HRS will recommend to accept the CCR rate instead of the offered rate. In this case, visible for Hotel 4 on the screen. You can see the recommendation CCR in the HRS strategy column once you start decision making. Furthermore, the CCR rate is displayed in the column Best Rate Option. Feedback from hotels. Green points means that the hotel has submitted an offer. Red means that the hotel has declined participation to the RFP. Feedback from sub-user, master user decisions, which are your decisions. Here, for each, we could have a green point, meaning the hotel has been accepted, or a red point, meaning the hotel has been rejected, or none. Then no decision has been submitted yet. If you are now ready to make your final decisions and accept and reject hotels, you can do this in various ways. One is the hotel view, where you can accept, reject, or if it's part of your company's sourcing strategy, ask for a rebid. Accept offer. Here the available rate types pop up and you can select the one you would like. Reject offer. Here you can reject hotels and explain the reason why. Rebid. Here you can type a request for rebid, specifying rate type, target rate, and also commenting your request. Another way of making decisions is on the main page, in case you don't want to enter every single hotel. You can click on the white boxes on the left side, and below you will find the same tabs. Now, you, as a decision maker of the RFP, have the possibility to either accept the CCR rate, accept the offered rate, or reject the hotel. If you're interested to view the details of both CCR rate and offered rate, you can click on the hotel name and the hotel pop-up, and all rate details will be opened. In case, in the example of the sub-user of the RFP, you decide to accept the offered rate instead of the CCR rate for Hotel 4, a green dot appears in the column Sub. Furthermore, now the offered rate is visible in the column Best Rate Option instead of the CCR rate once you have entered your decision to accept the offered rate. Please note that it is very important that you provide a decision for every hotel that has submitted an offer in order to close the RFP. Let's assume you now would make the following decisions. Once you have accepted or rejected a hotel, or many, you can click on the top right-hand side of the Recalculate button. If you do so, the system will recalculate the savings based on your decisions for the destination you are working on, as well as the entire portfolio. This will help you to directly view the impact your decisions have on the savings compared to the HRS optimal portfolio. If you would like to cancel your decision and make a different decision, simply click on the hotel in question and select Cancel Decision. This helps you also to play around a bit with the savings calculation and make the most favorable decisions for your hotel program. Once all decisions are in, HRS will take over your decisions, send them to the hotels, and close the RFP to start the rate loading process. HRS, Lodging as a Service.